Hi, we are from Bodytech. I'm going to show you now the way to install the pedal for folding bike SSPU. Alright. Okay. So look at the marking here. Okay. This is R for right side, left for the left side. So we start with the left side. Just use the tool that is provided. Okay. So left side. For left side, we need to do anti-clockwise. That means this way, anti-clockwise, to tighten it. Okay, we slowly find the track line. Okay, that's good, it's in. Just keep turning. Okay, you can't turn anymore, use the tool. Okay, alright, this is it. Continue anti-clockwise. Okay, until it's tight. Tighten it till really tight. Left side is done. Now let's proceed to the right side. For right side is clockwise. Okay. Alright, is it? Still not turning. Alright. Okay. Continue clockwise until it's really tight. Okay. That's it. You are done. That's the pedal installation.